Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class, question number 8. The function f of x is equal to modulus of x divided by x if x not equal to 0. 0, comma, if x is equal to 0. Okay. Here, question number 8. F of x is equal to modulus of x divided by x if x not equal to 0. Okay, here 0 if x is equal to 0. Here the modulus function you have to take both values. Okay, plus x divided by x, here positive terms if x greater than 0. Okay, because here it is positive x, therefore for negative x modulus you have to take both values, positive as well as negative, therefore negative x here divided by x. Here if x less than 0, because here it is negative, therefore you have to take x less than 0. Finally f of x is equal to, here if you cancel 1 if x greater than 0. Okay, 0 if x is equal to 0, minus 1 if x less than 0. These are my 10 conditions. Okay, here you can take the cases for finding all points of discontinuity. You have to take case 1, here x greater than 0. Okay, case 2 x is equal to 0. Case 3 x less than 0. Okay, for case 1, here x greater than 0, you have to take here limit x tends to k. Okay, here you have to take limit x tends to k, because here x greater than 0 का मतलब you have to take 0 greater than 1. From 1, 2, 3 you can include these all values. Okay, up to plus infinity you can take any value, therefore here you have to take let k be any real numbers. Okay, whenever the exact point, okay, x is equal to k, x is equal to a, this is my exact point. Okay, here you have to find left hand limit, right hand limit equal to f of a. Okay, here it is general. For general, here you can take any value, so that I am taking let k be any positive real numbers. Okay, therefore f of x, here limit x tends to k, here my function greater than 0, here it is 1, therefore no x, therefore only 1. Okay, next f of k, here in the place of x, here in my function there is no x, therefore 1 is answer. Okay, in the place of x you have to substitute the k, but here the function here x greater than 0, here 1 only present. Okay, there is no terms x, therefore here don't worry about it, simply put the answer 1. Okay, here it is both are equal. Finally here it is continuous function. Okay, next case 2, x is equal to 0. Here at point you have to take limit, left hand limit x tends to 0 minus. Okay, for left hand limit you have to take minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, here you have to take equal to 0, less than, okay, less than in the sense here it is minus 1, therefore minus 1. Here no x, therefore my answer is minus 1. For right hand limit, limit x tends to 0 plus, 0 plus, here you have to take 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 1, 2, 3 up to plus infinity you can take, okay. Here this is positive, just greater than 0, okay. Here just less than 0, okay, less than 0, here it is minus 1, greater than 0, here it is plus 1. F of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus, here in the place of f of x you have to substitute plus 1, therefore plus 1. Here it is minus 1, here it is plus 1, therefore left hand limit not equal to right hand limit. Finally you can write here discontinuity, discontinuous at x is equal to 0, okay. You can write like this, okay. Next, case 3, here case 3, x less than 0, here it is general. In general, here 0, minus 1, minus 2 up to minus infinity you can take any value, so that I am taking, let k be any real numbers, okay. Let k be any negative real numbers, okay. Therefore here limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to limit x tends to k. Here for less than 0, here it is minus 1, therefore minus 1. There is no value of x for substituting k. Finally you should write minus 1, it's my answer. Next, here f of k, here you have to substitute the value in the place of x, therefore here minus 1 only present, therefore no x is here. Finally you can write here minus 1, therefore both are satisfying. Here the given function is continuous, okay. Given function is continuous at x less than 0, okay. I hope you all understood the question number 8, okay. Next, question number 9. F of x is equal to x divided by modulus of x if x less than 0. Here it is clearly mentioned the x is less than 0, okay. Minus 1 comma if x greater than or equal to 0. Question number 9. Here you have to take f of x is equal to x, for modulus function you have to take plus value and minus value, but here it is clearly mentioned x less than 0, okay. Less than 0, here it is minus x, therefore if you cancel here you will get minus 1 if x less than 0, okay. Again minus 1 if x greater than or equal to 0, okay. Here I am taking case 1, x less than 0, x is equal to 0, x greater than 0. For all values here minus 1, okay. The both function having minus 1 and minus 1. Here there is no discontinuous, okay. At every value here it is continuous, because here it minus 1, here also minus 1, okay. Let us check case 1. Here x less than 0. For less than 0 you can take minus 1 to minus infinity any values, so that let k be any real numbers, okay. Let k be any real numbers. Here limit x tends to k f of x. Here you have to take less than 0. Here less than 0 my function is minus 1. Therefore limit x tends to k minus 1. Here in the place of x, here no x present, therefore minus 1 is my answer. Next, f of k, here minus 1. Okay, no value x is present, therefore here minus 1 is my answer. Next, here the both are equal. Okay, finally you have to write here the given function is continuous. Okay, continuous at x less than 0. Okay, next you have to take case 2, x is equal to 0. Okay, here x is equal to 0, you have to take limit x tends to left hand limit, you have to take. Next, right hand limit. Okay, first you can take left hand limit. Limit x tends to 0 minus. Okay, for left hand limit you have to take minus. F of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus, here my function less than 0, because here minus 0 minus is, you have to take less than 0 values. Okay, less than 0 also, here my function minus 1. Okay, therefore minus 1. Next, right hand limit. In my right hand limit also, limit x tends to 0 plus, you have to take just greater than 0. Okay, f of x, therefore limit x tends to 0 plus, the greater than values also here minus 1. Okay, therefore no value x. Okay, we cannot substitute here because the x is not present here, therefore minus 1 is my answer. Left hand limit, right hand limit are equal, then you have to take f of 0 at point. Okay, here my at point also, see here, greater than or equal to, here also minus 1, therefore minus 1. There is no x to substitute the 0. Okay, therefore minus 1. Here my left hand limit x tends to 0 minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus f of x is equal to f of a. F of a is nothing but x is equal to 0. For all these three values we are getting same minus 1. Therefore my given function is continuous at x is equal to 0. Okay, at point also, here it is continuous. Next, case 3, x greater than 0. Okay, you have take x less than 0. Case 1, at point x is equal to 0. Case 2, here case 3, x greater than 0. Here greater than 0 का मतलब, here you can take minus plus 1 2 up to plus infinity, you can take any values, so that let k be any positive real numbers. Okay, any positive real numbers. Therefore limit x tends to k f of x is equal to, here limit x tends to k greater than 0, you have to take minus 1. Okay, here minus 1, there is no value of x to substitute my k, therefore here it is minus 1. Again f of k, there is minus 1, because greater than, here it is minus 1. Finally here also minus 1, here also minus 1. Limit x tends to k, f of x is equal to f of a. F of a is nothing but greater than 0, I am taking k, therefore equal to minus 1. Finally here it is satisfying, therefore my given function is continuous at x greater than 0. Okay, here whenever the function is greater than or less than 0, you have to take, let k be any positive real numbers. Okay, at exact point x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1 or 2, at the exact point x is equal to a, you have to take left hand limit, right hand limit f of a. Okay, I hope you all understood the question. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad.